Soft close drawer slides are an easy enhancement to install on your cabinet drawers. The new parts will replace the existing parts on the cabinet and drawer. You will need to purchase the rear mounting brackets for this type of cabinet. This installation procedure also applies to the Everbuilt model available at Home Depot. All you need is a drill or screwdriver with the right bit. First, start by removing the existing slides from the cabinet and drawer. Now you may install the new parts on the cabinet and the drawer.